Is your hair thinning? Do you want thick, healthy, and voluminous hair naturally? Then don't scroll, because today's video is for you. Hi everyone, I'm Jerusha. Today I'll show you 2 simple DIY remedies that are easy to make at home using everyday ingredients. Let's get started. For the first remedy, you'll need 1 fresh egg and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That's all. Crack the egg into a bowl, add the olive oil, and mix everything together until it's smooth and well combined. Apply the mixture all over your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse with cool water before shampooing your hair. Now let's move on to the second remedy. This one is perfect for giving your scalp a relaxing oil massage. Mix equal parts castor oil and coconut oil. Warm the mixture slightly so it's comfortable to apply to your scalp. For the best results, use the egg mask once or twice a week and the oil massage once every week. Consistency is the secret to healthier looking hair. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural hair care tips. Comment thick hair if you're excited to try these remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.